1985 Lister Jaguar XJS HE 7-litre Mark III Cabriolet. A wolf in wolf's clothing. This sensational 7-litre Lister Jaguar XJS Cabriolet, packing almost 500 brake horsepower, is presented in superb condition, having received an extensive and comprehensive restoration by leading Jaguar restoration specialists. Born as a standard XJS V12 Cabriolet in December 1985, and notably being first registered to Jaguar Cars in Browns Lane, Coventry. This striking car was subsequently delivered by its second owner to W P Automotive Lister Cars in 1987 for its fully documented Lister transition. Carried out in stages, the Lister bodywork, suspension kit, steering wheel, big bore exhaust system, 3-piece modular wheels and Lister coach lines with logos were fitted in the first stage upgrade. The Lister conversion, taken to the next stage later in the same year, included fitment of the current GetDrag 5-speed manual gearbox, before, in 1989, a new Lister 7-litre engine, bench tested and producing a whopping 496 brake horsepower with 510 foot-pounds of torque, was installed into what is believed to have been the first Lister Mark III Cabriolet constructed. Purchased in 2012 by the last owner, a long-standing client of MkIII & Company, an extensive chassis restoration and mechanical overhaul was commissioned and undertaken by XJS specialists KWE Limited. Works carried out included removing the body, replacing all steel works to the sills, front and rear inner wheel arches, frontal chassis members and boot floor, before up-to-date anti-corrosion protection was applied, after which the body was refitted and the car repainted in high gloss black. A new ECU and KWE's bespoke engine management system were also installed, along with a custom fabricated exhaust system, the combination unleashing a further 60 brake horsepower. Simultaneously, the gearbox was rebuilt and fitted with an upgraded clutch, whilst the suspension, brakes, steering and cooling system were also overhauled. The restoration record folder included in the car's history file demonstrates all of the above works having been completed in 2014, with a total of in excess of £103,000 worth of expenditure. Originally in cream, the interior has been retrimmed in two-tone grey hides, while new matching carpets and occasional rear seats were also fitted. Interior walnut veneer finishes were also restored and the car topped off with new coverings to the roof and cabriolet detachable roof panels. With less than 2,000 miles covered since the comprehensive restoration and upgrade, the car just received a major service and detailed preparation. Presented in superb condition throughout, this astonishing Lister is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner, with the assurance of a major restoration having been completed and just 2,000 miles recorded since. An attractive and model relevant cherished registration number is also available by separate negotiation. Caged in our Hertfordshire showroom, this big cat is now available for viewing and demonstration.